Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to hide your subscribe count on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to hide it on Android, how to use it in Android. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to your browser and you want to type in YouTube Studio. And you can do that all by clicking on New tab and just searching for YouTube Studio. And we are going to follow in the settings how we can disable and hide so that other people do not see your YouTube account. And after clicking on YouTube Studio, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead to your settings. On the top left corner of your screen, the bottom, you want to zoom in and you want to click on settings. Next, you want to click on channel. Click on channel and you want to scroll on the right and click on advanced settings. Click on advanced settings and scroll all the way down. Now, this feature was disabled by YouTube. There was talk about disabling this feature, and that is exactly what they did. They disabled this feature because it seemed like it hurt your channel more than it would help it, and YouTube disabled this feature. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.